Hey, I'm Jay Law from Epics. Are you curious about how covered calls work? Today, I'm going to show you how to generate cash flow from covered calls, what happens when your call is exercised, when you make money, and how you might lose money. Covered calls sound simple on the surface, and a lot of people jump into them before they really understand what they're giving up. In plain English, a covered call means you own 100 shares of stock and sell a call option against those shares. You collect the premium now, and in return, you agree to sell your stock at the strike price. Covered calls are popular for good reason. First and foremost, they generate cash flow. The mechanics are easy to understand, and once you see the trade-off, it can be a solid way of generating cash flow from stocks you already own. Where newer traders get into trouble is pretty simple. They focus on the premium and lose sight of the real risk, which is still the stock. If the shares take a hit, you can see a loss. So let's use eBay as an example so you can see exactly how the math works. At the time of this example, eBay was trading around $117.62 per share. Let's assume you buy 100 shares for $11,762 and you sell one call with a July 17th expiration, 120 strike price for a $5.10 premium. Since one option contract controls 100 shares, it collects $510 upfront, which reduces your net stock costs from $117.62 per share to $112.52 per share, or $11,252 in total. From here, everything comes down to where eBay is on July 17th. If eBay closes below $120 on July 17th, the July 17th call you sold for $5.10 premium expires worthless. You keep the $510, you keep the shares, and you can decide whether you want to do it all again. But if eBay closes above $120 on July 17th, the call you sold will be exercised. So in a nutshell, you sell your stock for $120 per share and still keep the $510 premium. Since you bought the shares at $117.62, your stock gain is $2.38 per share. Add the $5.10 premium, and your profit comes to $7.48 per share, or $748 total, which works out to roughly a 6.4% return on the original $11,762 stock purchase over the life of the trade. Now, here's the part most beginners miss. The premium feels like income, but the premium is really a payment for two things: capping your upside above $120 and leaving you exposed to most of the downside below your net cost. So if eBay spikes higher, you miss out on all the profits over $120. Now, take a look at the other side. If eBay falls to $105 by July 17th, your shares are down $12.62 per share from the original $117.62 purchase price. The $5.10 premium from selling one call softens part of the drop, but only part. You're still down $7.52 per share, or $752 total. Your break even is $112.52 because you paid $117.02 for the stock and collected a $5.10 premium. So yes, premium does give you a cushion, but it does not remove all the stock risk. And you have to think about this, because if a stock really collapses, a covered call offers only limited protection. You still own the shares, the premium helps a little, but most of the downside still belongs to you. So now you see how to generate cash flow with covered calls, what happens when the option you sell is exercised, and most importantly, in what situations you make it lose money. If you want to learn other ways to generate steady cash flow with options, please click the link below and download the free options report. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much.